Right now, there are people that are literally making over $11,000 every single day, and this is being done using a new AI tool called InVideo AI. It takes a simple prompt that you give it like this, and it turns that into an entire video. I'm talking anything from a 60-second short to a full-blown 30-minute video. And if you haven't come across this yet, I have talked about this before. This is what everyone all over YouTube is talking about, because these videos are bringing in millions of views and thousands of subscribers. As you've just seen, it's bringing in thousands a month. So today, I'm about to show you how easy this process is, and you won't even have to show your face or use your voice. These videos will be created in less than 5 minutes. But just to give you an example of a channel that's doing this right now, this is a channel that focuses on AI news. And as you know right now, AI is a really, really hot topic. I went over to Social Blade to see what they say that they are making, and it says that this channel brings in about $7,000 a month. And as far as I've seen, Social Blade is never really accurate. They are more than likely making probably 3 times this amount. Before delving into our discussion today, I encourage you to subscribe and hit the bell icon for fresh updates on our latest content. To start making these videos and start making this money, the very first thing you are going to want to do is sign up for an account, and I did put a link down in the description for you. All you have to do is click on that to get started. Now, at this point, this is absolutely free, so you are going to want to hop on this ASAP. And there are some paid plans depending on what you are looking for, but we'll talk more about that later. Right now, we are going to start with the free one. Once you log into the program, this is the page that you should see. If it doesn't take you directly to this workstation, all you have to do is click the Create Now, and you'll be brought here. But once we are here, you are going to go to the top so that you can set up the workflow that you want. Basically, they're going to ask you, are you working on a YouTube short? Are you looking for an explainer video? Or do you want to work on something related to some recent events? And that's what we're focusing on. Then this next box is going to pop up, and it's going to ask you to enter a prompt, and a prompt is basically just telling it what you want it to create. Now, when it comes to entering a prompt, it is going to be extremely important that you cover all of your bases. You have to ask it the right things so that it can actually give you the absolute best results. And don't you worry, I have created a free prompt for you to use, and I put it down in the description, and all you'll have to do is just copy and paste that into here. And then you'll just change it around to fit exactly what type of video you are looking for. Another thing that is really cool about this is it's going to ask you if you have a particular article that you want it to summarize and pretty much pull information from to create this video, and you can just paste that link right here. Now if you don't have a specific topic, no worries, just search online for the latest news. Whether it's current events, celebrity gossip, political news, sports updates, or more, the possibilities are endless. Check out sites like CNN, Business Insider, Forbes, TMZ, Entertainment Tonight, ESPN, or Google News for trending topics. Explore their sections on what's popular or the latest news to find something that interests you. This way, you can easily discover engaging content for your videos. So, for the purpose of this video, I am just going to focus on student loan forgiveness because first and foremost, that's been a huge topic that's been in the news forever now. So I have my article here, and what I'm going to do is just copy the link to this, and then I'll head back over to InVideo AI. So again, that first box is going to ask you to enter your prompt, and I put that prompt down in the description, don't forget. So as far as what we're creating this video about is going to be student loan forgiveness, and the target audience is going to be student loan borrowers. Enter prompt, student loan forgiveness. Target audience, student loan borrowers. Make video about 5 minutes. Make it engaging with slightly humorous tone. Talk about who benefits from student loan forgiveness, what the next steps are and how much they may receive. And then beneath the prompt, I am going to paste a link to the article that I discovered, and again, you don't have to paste the link if you don't have one. And then it's going to ask what gender you want, and I'm going to go with male because with these videos, I always see the viral trending videos have male genders. And then they're going to ask what type of voice you want, and I'm going to go with the clear American accent. And as you can see, like I told you, it's going to search the web itself to get the best info. And then it's going to summarize the article that you placed in there as well as other articles that it comes across as it's searching the web. So it is pretty much doing most of the work for you. But after it has finished doing its research, then it's going to pop up with another box. And again, that's for it to make sure it's on the right track for what you want. And after only a few minutes, this is an example of what it created from that prompt and the article that we gave it. Play video.
Are you drowning in student loan debt? You're not alone. The student loan crisis is a specter that haunts many, with countless individuals grappling with a mountain of debt that seems insurmountable. But there's a glimmer of hope on the horizon. The Biden administration has been hard at work chiseling out a new student loan forgiveness program, a beacon of relief for those weighed down by the burden of education loans. This isn't the first time loan forgiveness has been on the table, though. The administration's previous proposal, which offered up to $20,000 in debt relief, was shot down by the Supreme Court. Yet, undeterred, a new plan is being brewed, one rooted in the Higher Education Act, and it's currently under consideration. Of course, it's not all smooth sailing. The program's very legality is currently a hot topic of debate in the Supreme Court, adding a layer of uncertainty to the situation. But amidst the legal jargon and political maneuvering, what does this all mean for you, the student loan borrower? If you're feeling a bit lost in all this, don't worry, we're here to break it down for you. So, what exactly is this student loan forgiveness program? Well, let's break it down. The term loan forgiveness might sound like a magical phrase where your debt disappears into thin air, but to be clear, it's not quite that simple. The concept of student loan forgiveness was initiated by the Biden administration as a potential solution for borrowers experiencing financial hardship. This program is based on the Higher Education Act and is still being refined. It's like a recipe that's still being tested in the kitchen. The exact ingredients and the final taste, well, that's yet to be finalized.
Let me know down below what you think about this video, and I am going to create a new channel to upload this video to. I'll put the link down in the description so that you can watch the entire video to see what you think about it. But at this point, you are pretty much done. But for some reason, as you are reviewing the video, you find something that you don't like, whether you want them to change the music in it or one thing I noticed about this video that I didn't like was that it didn't automatically add the subtitle. So all we have to do is scroll down beneath the video to where it says give me a command to edit the video, and this is where we can just type in add subtitles to the video, and just like that, it is going to update it, and now the video has subtitles in it.
Student loan debt? You're not alone. The student loan crisis is a specter that haunts many, with countless individuals grappling with a mountain of debt that seems insurmountable. But there's a glimmer of hope on the horizon. The Biden administration has been hard at work chiseling out a new student loan forgiveness program, a beacon of relief for those weighed down by the burden of education loans. This isn't the first time loan forgiveness has been on the table, though.
Now, another thing you can do if you're listening to it and you're like, you know what? I don't even want a male voice anymore. Let's change it to a female. You can go back to that command, and you can type in change voiceover to a female voiceover.
Are you drowning in student loan debt? You're not alone. The student loan crisis is a specter that haunts many, with countless individuals grappling with a mountain of debt that seems insurmountable. But there's a glimmer of hope on the horizon. The Biden administration has been hard at work chiseling out a new student loan forgiveness program, a beacon of relief for those weighed down by the burden of education loans. This isn't the first time loan forgiveness has been on the table, though. The administration's previous proposal, which offered up to $20,000 in debt relief, was shot down by the Supreme Court. Yet, undeterred, a new plan is being brewed, one rooted in the Higher Education Act. And it's currently under consideration. Of course, it's not all smooth sailing. The program's very legality is currently a hot topic of debate in the Supreme Court, adding a layer of uncertainty to the situation. But amidst the legal jargon and political maneuvering, what does this all mean for you, the student loan borrower? If you're feeling a bit lost in all this, don't worry, we're here to break it down for you.
Now, I like to edit that way and let them do everything for me. However, there may be instances where you just want to manually change it because there's something specific that you're looking for that it may not have given you. And you can do that by just hitting the edit button, and it's going to ask you to edit media or the script. And if there's a particular video you want to change, you'll select media, and then you'll go right here and search for whatever type of video you are looking for. You can scroll through until you find what you like, and then you'll just hit replace, and it will change that video. Now, there are tons of other types of videos that you can create. Even if you want to make those animal videos, if you want to focus on short videos, if you want to do those least-tick or style videos where they give you top 5 and top 10 of certain products or different things. Another thing I see that's doing pretty well right now is interesting fact-type videos. The last thing for you to do is to download the video, and in order to do that, you'll just hit this export button. Now, like I told you, you can do this for 100% free. However, when you download the video, you will have a watermark on the video like this, and you will have some kind of AI branding in the video. But if you are really serious about this, if you really want to grow and start making those amounts that I showed you, then I suggest that you get the paid membership, because having those things removed is going to help your audience trust you better, so you can get everything that we went through, plus have all of those watermarks removed right now, for only $20 a month if you get the yearly plan. However, if you want to go month to month, then you can get this all for $25 a month. As we conclude, appreciate your time spent here. If you found value, do subscribe, like, and share. Until next time, take care.